This iPhone literally has a rectangle for a camera bump, and somehow it looks fire. Oh, and did I mention it might shoot 8K video from both sides at the same time? What is happening at Apple? Okay, so I was doom scrolling at 2 a.m. as one does, and stumbled on leaks for the iPhone 17 Pro. I thought it was just another recycled slab of glass, but nope. Apple's cooking something wild this year, and it smells like sky blue aluminum with a side of vapor chamber. Look, we've all been there. You drop $1,200 on a Pro Max iPhone, and 6 months later, it starts overheating like it's auditioning for a toaster roll, or the camera makes you look like a blurry ghost during Zoom calls. Not anymore. Turns out Apple said, let's fix literally everything. Better cameras, smarter chips, 12 gigabytes of RAM, finally, and some heat management that doesn't feel like a broken promise from your last Tinder date. Imagine this, you're vlogging with the front and rear cameras at the same time, dual 24 megapixel selfie and 48 megapixels telephoto action while recording in 8K. Your phone's not even sweating, but you are, because you just realized your face is in 8K too. Rest in peace, pores. Aluminum frame, titanium is out. Apple's giving us lightweight aluminum, probably so you stop dropping it on your face in bed. Sky blue finish, because apparently we all live inside a MacBook Air ad now. Rectangular camera bump. Not a stove, not a robot face, just a boxy bump that somehow looks expensive. A 19 Pro chip, Apple's newest silicon demon, built on a 3nm process that sounds so small, it might have been made by atoms on strike. Wi-Fi 7. Apple ditched Broadcom and said, we'll do it ourselves. Classic main character energy. Vapor cooling, the iPhone's finally getting a cooling system that doesn't involve your hand melting off. Vapor chamber, baby. This device brings some seriously impressive pros to the table. The cameras are so good, they might just accidentally capture your soul. Seriously, they're that sharp. Multitasking finally feels smooth too, thanks to RAM that doesn't act like it's juggling chainsaws. And the Wi-Fi, it's fast enough to keep up with your Starbucks photo dumps in real time, but of course it's not all perfect. That camera bump, let's just say, lie down the wrong way and it might poke your eye out. Oh, and we still don't have any word on the battery life, so maybe light a candle and pray to the Apple gods. As for the design, they're calling it part aluminum, part glass, which honestly sounds more like my kitchen table than a next-gen gadget, but hey, we're here for it. Would I sell my current phone to get this? Yes. Would I trade my backup phone and my sanity for that sky blue finish? Also yes. This might be the most chaotically exciting iPhone in years, and Apple knows it. Smash that like button if you've ever rage quit over overheating iPhones, and subscribe. Next video's on a gadget that literally almost caught fire while charging. Not kidding. See you next one. Peace out.